She had it quite extensively, mainly on her arms. She did carry some on her legs as well, but predominantly it was either on her wrists or in the creases of your elbows. And it was quite raw, it was red, and what she used to do, because it was itching obviously quite a lot, was scratch at it. And when she scratched, it made it bleed, and then it became obviously quite sore to put anything on there. It's the first time that we've had it in our family, both on either Jane's side or mine. They never affected her time at school, they were never that bad. But yeah, her general well-being in terms of the way that she would sleep, she would find it difficult to sleep some nights because she was forever itching the skin to try and relieve herself of it. Before we tried RECZEMA, we've used a whole variety of different treatments. We've tried steroid-based creams as a last resort. Obviously, you don't want to really give your children steroid-based creams, but rather than have the eczema, we thought we'd give it a go. The hydrocortisones and things like that all really didn't do any difference, and they were quite oily and they stayed on top of the skin, and they didn't seem to give any relief at all, to be honest. With trying lots of obviously different kinds of creams on the market, we're always a bit dubious as to what will work, what won't work. But because nothing had previously worked, we're willing to give it a go. So we did, and it's the first time that I've seen a difference in such a short period of time. It kind of melted into the skin that little bit more, and then it obviously gave it almost instant relief. I decided we'd take some pictures before we started to use the RECZEMA cream, because as before we've used plenty of different creams without anything really working. And this was in a stage, it wasn't too bad, as you can see, but it shows the scaliness, the redness, and where she's been itching on her arms. And within 3 days, there was such a massive difference that we thought, you know, wow, what's happened with this? And we continued using the RECZEMA ever since. The fact that as soon as it went on, you could see a difference, the way that it went into the skin. It's unlike other creams that we've used that seem to stay on top of the skin. This was absorbed almost straight away. I mean, Alana's life has changed, not so much in a day-to-day, but more importantly, more through the night. And also for the fact that she's not that concerned now about wearing too longer sleeve tops. She's quite willing to wear shorter sleeve tops through the day, and it doesn't keep her awake at night. So it's quite a big thing. She doesn't wake up tired for school in the morning. And she's not got that intense itching that she once used to have. Which cream do you use the best? Which one would you prefer to use?
RECZEMA. RECZEMA's been the best cream that we've used so far.